What's the role of the beaches in the ecosystem? We are not the only ones who benefit from hanging around the beaches. The beach environment also relies on a lot of marine animals. The naked eye cannot see any of them because they are millimeters small or hidden in the sand, but they play a significant role in the filtration of seawater and the recycling of nutrients. Beach ecosystems are affected by many different human pressures, especially from pollution. Marine animals die from plastic because when they don't find food, they eventually eat on it. So they die from the amount of plastic in their stomachs.
Some marinas depends on the beach environment as a nursery area for fish, fry or nesting sites and rockeries for turtles and birds. Higher up on the marina food chain, the beaches are a vital feeding ground for birds and terrestrial wildlife. Beaches can also play a role in mitigating the effects of climate changes. By acting as a buffer, it can protect the coastline from the damaging effects of high winds and waves of powerful storms.
Think of the beach as a bridge between the land and the marine environment. It's a critical biodiversity area. Cleaning our beaches is a step towards cleaning our oceans. There are also economic benefits to cleaning our beaches. Coastal and marine waters support over 28 million jobs in America, and results to a high increase of illnesses among the local population, but they also hurt the local economy. In fact, economists have estimated that typical swimming day is worth $35 per each visitor. So the economic loss is pretty much significant. When the beach is closed, beach cleanups are also learning opportunity for citizens. There's a major difference between seeing photos of plastic pollution online and witnessing it on an actual beach. It makes one think about the impact of the non-biodegradable stuff, and we are using it and how it's affecting the environment. I really gained a lot of info by this project, and I started caring more about the environment, and I raised more skills that I had, like writing more scripts and taking more photos and making videos. And I started dodging the haters that try to make me stop of doing a masterpiece and to stop making videos and stuff. And I'll go through all of that and I'll succeed. And my hopes are raised because of this project, and I hope me and my team will win this project.
Last month, we've been working on the competition, trying our best to make a good experience of it. This was our first time that we've ever worked with a team for a long period. I think that for the most students in our classroom aren't the type to work with a team for this long. It taught us how to teamwork and help each other out while also being responsible for the roles we have chosen. It was a really good experience from my side.